Alright, this is the Standing Wave Project, and I have, let's see what I have to work with. Handy ruler via the residence assistant down the hall, and let's see, start by defining what is a standing wave. A standing wave is frequencies that bounce off parallel walls, such as these right here. I don't know if the camera can see that. And a node is the other definition that we are supposed to define. It's points of no motions via the result of a crest and a trough meeting, and an antinode is the result of a same thing, points of no motion via the result of a crest and a crest, or a trough and a trough. So that's that. Now I suppose I'll begin measuring. Right. So the formula we're going to use to determine the standing waves is F equals V over lambda, or the distance of what I just measured, which happens to be what I'm going to round off as 8 feet, because most ceilings are 8 feet and that was about 7'9", so I'm just going to assume that that was error in calculation and it's 8 feet. So, and start out by saying the frequency, hold on, where is it? Where's the rate of sound? There we go. Okay. Speed of sound is 1130 feet per second, and I actually was a little confused about that in the tutorial video, but I guess you did say it in class, so it's all good. So frequency. So the formula is going to be 1100 feet per second over 8. And I guess 8 is one significant figure. Well, I guess just for shits and gigs, I'm going to make it 8.0, because I think that one significant figure might make the entire measurement a little bit rounded. So where's my handy dandy calculator, which is the other thing I need? Yeah. Alright. Handy dandy calculator. So we're going to do 1100 divided by 8 equals 137.5. Debating on maybe I should make it 8.00. Well, that is the answer. 137.5 is the frequency of the standing waves. but that is not. I guess to make it the significant figure thing, it would be 140. No decimal. So 140 is the answer to the first parallel. Now, on to the next one. Right. Two. Alright. So it appears to be about 12 foot 3 inches, which would be 12.25, or wait, I said 12.3 inches. 12.3 feet, which would be 12.25 feet, or 12 and a quarter. So I'm going to do the same thing, 1100 feet per second divided by, what did I just say, 12.25, and according to my handy dandy calculator, what is that going to be? 1100 divided by 12.25, which, by the way, is for significant figures. It's going to be 89.7959183674, which is going to be 89.80, because that's for significant figures. So 89.80. And now for the third parallel, gonna do, I guess, right along this wall, right over here. Let's see, can you see it? Probably not. Oh, look at that. Alright. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. I was say 16. Okay, looks to be about 16 feet. Just gonna round it. 1100 feet per second. Once again, speed of sound divided by 16 feet. And you're going to get 1100 divided by 16 equals, it's going to be 68.75 is 1100 divided by 16. So that's going to be, needs to be two significant figures, so it's going to be 69. 69. Right. Alright. Well, that is it. The Standing Wave Project. Alright. So I was looking over the video and I apparently got it wrong. I said 1130, which is right. That's the speed of sound, and I did my calculations as 1100. So I'm going to add this on to the end and just recalculate. So first calculation was that wall back there, which is 8 feet, or no, it's the ceiling, floor to the ceiling. So 1130 divided by 8. It's going to be 141.25. So it's going to round to, well, just do 8.00. Just that, make sure it's more accurate. So 1130 divided by 8.00. Yeah, that's going to be 141. Now, 1130 divided by 12.25, which is that wall back there, as I mistakenly said previously. No. 1130 divided by 12.25. 1130 divided by 12.25 is 92.24489799592. So it's going to be 92.24. And 1130. Last one, 1130 divided by 16. It's going to be 70.625, or it's going to be rounded to 71 because it's two significant figures. So just small calculation differences, but want to be as precise as I can, especially seeing as how I didn't even have a tape measure, so you know. Anyway, that should be the final for the Standing Wave, final product.